Spelling list number 2, short I. Pin. Say the word with me. Pin. The sounds are p, I, n. Say the sounds with me. P, I, n. Pin. The pin is green. Win. Say the word with me. Win. The sounds are w, I, n. Say the sounds with me. W, I, n. Win. I hope we win. Miss. Say the word with me. Miss. The sounds are I, s. Say the sounds with me. I, s. Miss. He misses his friend. Kiss. Say the word with me. Kiss. The sounds are k, I, s. Say the sounds with me. K, I, s. Kiss. He kisses his mom. Hit. Say the word with me. Hit. Let's make the sounds. H, I, t. Say the sounds with me. H, I, t. Hit. She hits the piñata. Sit. Say the word with me. Sit. The sounds are s, I, t. Say the sounds with me. S, I, t. Sit. She sits on the stairs. Nap. Say the word with me. Nap. The sounds are n, a, p. Say the sounds with me. N, a, p. The nap. The kitten naps. Can. Say the word with me. Can. The sounds are k, a, n. Make the sounds with me. K, a, n. Can. He can climb the mountain. This is the word out. Say the word with me. Out. He goes out the door. This is the word up. Say the word with me. Up. Let's make the sounds. P. Make the sounds with me. P. Up. The air balloon is up in the sky.